Hey guys, it's Corny. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. I love you. Please click the subscribe button. I'll be showing you all how to achieve this look. Just stay tuned. So right now I'm using my Zikel 24 karat gold serum to moisturize the skin first. You can use a body lotion for this, or a face cream would do. Next one, I went on using my Pond primer just to prime the skin to keep it set for my foundation and dry powder. So this is my Osh brow tamal. It's called a brow gel too. Using it to keep my brows in order. If you have a scattered brows, not really scattered, just have to use this. You can use air gel as well, or a Vaseline to do it. I went on using my Davic eyebrow pencil. I'm using this pencil because I don't want my eyebrow to be too dark. I'm trying to do something that will be very light. So this eye pencil will make it look light, natural. You can use a beauty line by Didi. That still will go. This Davic eye pencil color 3. So brush your brows. I'm using my Elegant Pro concealer to conceal the under of my eyebrows. While concealing, you just have to make your lines straight. For the beginners, you just have to make your concealing lines straight. Whichever pattern you're taking, your lines have to be straight. So this is my V Beauty foundation. Using this to darken the both edges to give the eyebrows that natural look. We don't want to have extra concealer, like we don't want the edges to be white, very white. So this is how to blend it in a bit. Use your blending brush to blend it in. If you don't have a blending brush, you can use a sponge. That's a beauty blender. Or better still, use your finger. That still will go. So I'm going in with 2 shades of V Beauty powder. I'll put the description below the shades I'm using, because none is my shade. One is just too light and the other is too dark, so I had to blend it in. I sprayed fix spray on my sponge on my beauty blender just to be able to blend properly. So just blend in the both together. And when you're doing this look, you just have to minimize the quantity, like take a little amount of foundation, not like your everyday foundation. Let it be small, so that will still give you the natural look you want. So this is my Elegant Pro concealer, same shade I use under my eyebrows. Blend it in using your beauty blender. So that's my Zaron powder. Using it to set the under of my eyebrows. I'm not using a very light shade, I'm using my very own shade because I don't want my brows to be too bright. I'm trying to create a natural look. So as you all can see, I didn't conceal the top of my brows. You can do it if you want, but for this look I just had to do it this way. So this is my Zikel powder palette, using a very light shade. Using this to set the under of to set the highlighted areas where I just did my concealer and blend. You don't really need much, just take little amounts of it, then dab in gently. Just press it in with the sponge gently. You don't want too much there. So this is the darkest shade in my Zikel powder palette. Using it to contour my nose. Doing the same thing here. This is my Zikel blush in our old Zikel palettes, because the new Zikel palette doesn't come with a blush. So that's from my old Zikel palette. Using the dark shade to do the same thing. Dust it out a bit. As if the blush is just too bright, use dark shade, any dark shade to blend it in. You can use your powder to do this as well. So I'm still using the dark. I use the dark shade for that too. So for this look, I'm not doing anything serious, so I don't have to apply my eyeshadow primer because I don't want my eyeshadow to be looking too bright. So just use your finger to blend it in. I would advise you, if you have your eyeshadow, I would advise you use your finger for this. So there's no point using your eyeshadow brush, just use your finger, just use your hand for this to make it very even lighter. So this is my V Beauty eyeliner. Watch me do it. There's no point doing a long liner, so I had to stop there. Go and stop there. While doing this, just use the mouth, the very tip of your eyeliner brush. Make sure you apply mascara before going into your eyelashes. Before fixing your eyelashes, you need to apply your mascara. This will help remove the eyeshadow from your lashes. Still my Zaron powder, applying it all over my face. So if you really want your nose to be looking so pointed, make sure you brush it up. So I use a neat brush to dust out my setting powder. Still my Zikel powder palette, a light shade. Huda Beauty bronzer. I have to smile, just smile. This look, your bronzer, your glow doesn't really need to glow. It has to be little. So this is a bit too much. I have to dust my brush, then work on it, trying to reduce it. Because I just want it to be very natural. Very natural. So that's my powder brush, using it to dust out my glow, my bronzer. So cleaning this setting parts, I have to use my powder to do that. This will make your brows pop. For lip liner, I'm using the same shade of eye pencil I use for my eyebrows. This is the Davic eye pencil in the shade 3 and the shade brown. I wanted my lip to be looking so light. Glamgalsnigeria face spray. Hey guys, it's blackening. Yeah, it has always been blackening. Oh. Oh, I look cute, right? I look cute. What's your favorite part in this video? Just drop your comment below. Thanks for watching. I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned. See you in my next video.